Hello everyone, welcome to the NuMAD Tutorials, and in this video what we'll be doing is we will be creating a new model and we will be adding an airfoil. Okay, to get started, go to File, New Model. And now notice how this is the blade root. You can click on it and you can also click on the next station or previous station. So this is the blade root and right here is the blade tip. You can also click on next station and see how the station number right here changes to station 2. Now to add a new station or airfoil, you can click new station, and for airfoil you can click on that and you can select whatever airfoil that you want. Okay, so in our case, let's click on the N-rail airfoil, and for TE, which means trailing edge, by default most of the time it will be sharp. There's also round. For round, it's mainly for airfoils that are circular, like the blade root. For flat, this is for airfoils that are flat back, which is mainly used for ANSYS, but in most cases you would just use sharp. Distance from root, you change it, you can see how it changes along the axis. Chord length is the distance from the leading edge all the way to the trailing edge. Twist of station, it's the angle of twist. So if I put 5 degrees, notice how I changed that. If I put negative degrees, it'll also change the other way. Normalized X offset, this is the offset from this axis. So if you put 0.5, it'll move forward. If you put negative 0.5, it'll move backwards. The aerodynamic center is the point along the chord where the pitch axis does not vary by the angle of attack. So once you're done, go ahead and click done, and there's your airfoil. If you want to add more airfoils, you can click on new station and you can add more of it, change the parameters, and click done again. And notice how the station is in chronological order. So this becomes station 2 and the tip becomes station 3.